So I always get a lot of questions on where I buy all my packaging, so today I'm going to show you. I buy my Footsoles for Converse and Vans boxes from Sequoia Packaging in Los Angeles. My little booklets and postcards are from Vision One Print Solutions. My Dream Big mailer boxes are from Garrett Graphics in Ventura, California. My Filial stickers are from Standout Stickers, which are the best. I use the Munbin thermal label printer, which works amazing. The best place to buy eco-friendly poly mailers is from Eco Enclosed in San Francisco, and my packaging tape is from No Issue.
Here's an easy way to save money on branding your packaging. First, find the packaging you would like to use for your product. I chose these cute little bags. Next, find a company that creates custom stamps. And lastly, you stamp your packaging. Make sure the packaging that you are using can be stamped so that it
Did we both fall in love before we were ready? Or did we both give up before we were steady? I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. All I know, I'm alone. Were we both too scared, or were we well prepared for the future and all the mistakes that it bears?
Came down to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, "Marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone, I love you."
When I first launched my business, even some of my closest friends had nothing to say. They didn't necessarily support me, meaning like or share my content or even ask me how it was going with the brand. They just kind of, stayed silent. And at first I took offense to it, but then I quickly realized it is normal human behavior. They had never seen someone try to accomplish something so ambitious. It was just easier for them to stay quiet and hope that it
Y en un estado te manda a decir que y ahora todo cambió.
Te toca a ella, party. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you.
I'm fucking broken, they see me empty. Glasses turn the bottle in my head, I'm feeling dizzy. But you never fucking listen, gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is, I take the blame. Always getting jaded, back around, they're all the same. Never wanna hear me up.
I often get asked how I make these labels with my logo on them for my baggies, so I'm going to show you guys. I use some regular cardstock paper that I got from Michaels and the Cricut cutting slicer thing, whatever it's called. And I cut each cardstock 2.5 inches wide, and it's already about 4 inches long, so I just leave that. Then I go ahead and fold all the cardboard pieces in half. Then I use my Cricut machine and Online Labels clear sticker paper to cut out some logo stickers. Then I peel each sticker and place them on each cardboard piece.
Hi, I usually use tissue paper for packaging. And what I don't like about it is that it easily gets crumpled. I found this pink newsprint paper here in THCDO for only 153 pesos and 50 cents, and you got an approximate of 500 pieces of paper. The size of the newsprint is the same as the long size of a bond paper. And this is how pink the newsprint. And I tried it on my gift box, and I like it better than the tissue paper because it looks more clean and it matches the pink shade of my box. And I also tried shredding the paper using Deli, and here's the outcome. Thank you!
Hello?
Today I'm packing my biggest order ever. This amazing person, Cordelia, which is such a beautiful freaking name by the way, placed 3 separate orders with me, which is unfreaking believable. She ordered 2 jumbo bees, and even putting one of them into the poly mailer was it's like putting your pants on after Christmas dinner. It was impossible. But she got 2 of them, so I put them each in their own separate bag. And she also got 2 mini frogs and 2 keychains, so I packaged them together as well with her handwritten thank you card. Got everything packaged, and once it was ready to go to the post office, I got myself a coffee afterwards because I deserve a reward for my hard work. So thank you, Cordelia, for your amazing order.
Hey guys, so this is how I do our boxes. So first, kailangan mo ng gunting, ng double-sided tape ruler, and yung papel na gagamitin mo. So yung size ng paper ko is 7 inches by 5.5 inches. And ayan, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng outline para kapag tinupi ko, madali ko siyang matutupi and pantay. Yung 4 na sides. And then pag natupi mo na yung 4 na sides, yung 2 gilid na mas maikli, tutupiin mo pa siya and itatapat mo dun sa dulo ng kabila. Hanggang sa maging ganyan na yung itsura niya, then ikakat mo yung sides para mapag-connect mo yung box. Then yung 4 na ginupitan mo, lalagyan mo yon ng double-sided tape pang seal dun sa mismong box natin. Siyempre, para ma-seal yung box, dapat kahit papano pantay yung double-sided tape dun sa square na space sa gilid na pagdidikitan. Then, ayan, i-assemble mo na. Then, ayan na siya. Tapos, meron akong 3 sizes. Actually, ito yung pinakamaliit and kasya dito isang lip tint lang.